What are you doing?
Putting the plug in. What?
He's like, most important part. Don't forget the plug.
It's absolutely the most important part.
Hey guys, so we are here on the water already, trying to catch some bait. So today will be a little vlog of our boat day, kind of just, you know, what our boat days look like. And we have Mahi with us today. He usually always comes with us. He's definitely a little water dog. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. You want a big old one? No. Alright, if you haven't seen on my Instagram or anything like that, he loves eating sardines. And we always give him some when we're catching bait. But for some reason, I think maybe he thinks this one's too small or something, but he doesn't want it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up over here at the mangroves. We haven't had any bites. Small little snappers were biting my bait, and that's about it. We're gonna go ahead and make a run. I think we're gonna head over to the beach. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we can do. Let's go. Come on, boy! Let's go.
He's drinking the water. Dude, it is beautiful.
Alright guys, so now off to take some photos. Picking out the spot. We got some nice sand here, some nice nature. Got the beach right behind us. Beautiful day out here. Look at that. I don't know where she's going, but she's getting creative, so something's happening. I'll let her pick out a spot first, and then I'm gonna go over there. I think that's the spot. Let's go. The sand is freaking burning. Let's do this quick. Here we go. Photos in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright guys, that was a huge schools of rays. This is crazy. Look at this. Hundreds of them. Hundreds of them. Look at that. Pretty crazy. Woo! Awesome. Alright, let's head inside and see what we got.
Alright guys, so we're here fishing. Just came back from the beach. So far it's just one trout, but honestly, I don't know, for me at least, all I care about is just really going to the beach and for Mahi to run around and have a great time. We're both stuck at home all week, so it's nice to get a little break and get out of the house and do something fun. So going on the boat, it's always our thing. But yeah, we're still trying to catch some more fish. Yeah, it's really windy. I mean, the news said it was gonna be windy and maybe it was gonna rain, but it's definitely windy. It got much rougher over there at the beach by the time we left than when we got there. So the wind has definitely been picking up, and I don't know. We gotta see. Keep you guys updated if we catch some fish. So this is usually always him. He's always living on the edge. Yeah, he usually has his life jacket on, but we wanted him to get really dry before going on the car, so we took it off. And we're going slow. It's idle here, but yeah, he's walking around the whole edge, always in the front of the boat. He's just a crazy little dog that's not scared of anything. Alright guys, so that's it for today. It was a fun beach day for sure. Not so much fishing. Fishing was kind of tough, but the beach was absolutely beautiful. The water was crystal clear. If you've ever been to the Keys down here in Florida, it was exactly like that. Like the water crystal clear and beautiful, and overall a great day. The weather was actually pretty nice other than the windy factor, but it was sunny. At first it was kind of cloudy, but it got better throughout the day. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
And that's a wrap.
Okay, so that's it. Go get the truck, put the boat on the trailer, and we are out. And then for the worst part, quitting the boat.